Hello and welcome. This is Allan Armitage, aka Dr. A, and I'm certainly glad you're here. This podcast is a place where we can talk about plants, gardens, and the lessons they teach us. Sometimes practical, often unexpected. Each week, I'll share stories from my experiences in the garden, as well as how plants get their common names. It's just great fun. And these are conversations drawn from a lifetime of growing and learning. Whether you're new to gardening or have been at it for years, I am so happy you're here. Let's have fun. Well, I'm recording this coming into the fall season. It's still summer where I am, but fall is not too far away. And pretty soon you're going to be asking yourself, well, what am I going to plant in the fall, if anything? Well, we'll get to fall planting in a different episode, but I do want to talk about a plant you're going to see a ton of in the next 6 or 7 weeks. And of course, those are the fall chrysanthemums. And the fall mums have kind of a bad reputation. They're they appear on the sidewalk of every store, it seems. You can buy pot mums at the grocery store, you can buy pot mums at the retail center. Heck, I'm sure you can buy pot mums at Costco. But the fact is, they are popular because they work. Yes, 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 they're throwaway plants. Yes, yes, there seem to be a dime a dozen. But the fact is, for me, when I want to have something new on the deck or by the front door or whatever, usually for containers for me, I have no problem purchasing a beautifully produced in-flower pot mum. Just any color you'd like. You can get something as small as a tiny little 4-inch pot or the 2-3 gallon containers. For me, I'm ready to put these out when they're ready. And so I get a bigger container. I do whatever I do when I put things in containers, make sure the soil is reasonable, put a little fertilizer in, water them, and then get out of the way. They're pot mums. They're tough, at least tough for the fall. They can be perennial. If you wish to keep them, just cut them back and they will come back. They won't come back nearly as nice, however, as they are when you purchase them. So feel free to stick them somewhere. They will come back. They'll flower again under short day periods. But hey, it's a pot mum. So that's my recommendation for this little episode. Nothing terribly exciting. It's nothing some brand new, but oh my, pot mums are here. Let's have fun. See you in the garden. Well, thank you for spending part of your day with me. I hope this episode gave you something useful, or at least something to think about next time you're in the garden. If you'd like to continue the conversation, I am happy to have you join me again. And if you'd like to learn more, some of my best-selling titles are available on my website at www.allanarmitage.com. And I've written on everything from good grief of perennials and annuals, cut flowers. Some of my best sellers of naked ladies and forget-me-nots or legends from the garden. They're all available. Please join me again. I'm looking forward to seeing you. And until then, enjoy the season, and I'll see you in the garden.